This is Mindful Meditation India. Welcome to this guided meditation for the root chakra. The root chakra is located at the base of the spine and is associated with feelings of stability, grounding, and a sense of belonging. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any tension in your body. Repeat this a few times to feel more relaxed. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the base of your spine, where the root chakra is situated. Visualize a bright, glowing red light at this energy center, radiating strength and stability. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, extending deep into the earth. With each breath, feel these roots growing stronger and more grounded, connecting you firmly to the earth's energy. Inhale and exhale deeply for a few moments and embrace this connection. Feel this connection growing with music. As you feel the stability of the earth supporting you, allow any feelings of insecurity or fear to dissolve. Visualize these fears being transformed into a sense of trust and confidence. Now, bring your attention to the sound of the music. Allow the rhythm to resonate with your own heartbeat, bringing a sense of harmony and balance to your being. As you focus on the music, imagine it ringing through your entire body, awakening and energizing the root chakra. Feel the red light at the base of your spine growing brighter and more vibrant with the music. We will continue this for 5 minutes and feel the red light encompassing each and every cell of our body. Take a moment to reflect on your connection to your physical body and the physical world around you. Feel a deep sense of gratitude for the stability and support that your body and the earth provide. Now, repeat the following affirmations silently or aloud, allowing them to resonate with your being. I am rooted, stable, and secure. I trust in the process of life. I am safe and supported by the universe. I am worthy of love, abundance, and joy. I embrace my physical body and honor its wisdom. Feel the power of these affirmations resonating within you. strengthening the root chakra and aligning you with a sense of groundedness and stability. Take a few more moments to bask in the energy of the root chakra, feeling grounded, secure, and connected to. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carry this sense of stability and grounding with you throughout your day, knowing that you are supported by the earth and the universe. I hope this guided meditation helps you to balance and energize your root chakra. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, committing to a regular practice of balancing and energizing your root chakra will bring you the best results. Do share your experience and share with your loved ones. Remember, stabilized root chakra is key to having a good spiritual journey.